Hey guys, Rich here from Solar Research Technologies. Today we're live in our Florida test center, and we're going to bring you some information and some exciting news about one of our newest products, our emergency residential charging center. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the product. We'll show you exactly what it does and how important this product is. Thank you for being with us today, and we hope you enjoy this presentation. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we'll do is open the box, obviously. The product we've designed for frustration-free packaging. We hope our customers enjoy this. You can see it's very, very well packaged, all custom cut, and there's absolutely no problem in getting to your product. So let's see what we have. First we have our, this is the cable for the wireless access point. It's labeled and good to go. Next we have our network cable set. These are the two cables that connect the product to the Optimum and also furnish connectivity for the network, which comes from the companion product, our Optimum Professional. We have a small box here. In here we have the key for the door of the charging center, and we have the mounting bracket for the wireless access point. Here we have a full color manual. This is your user guide and your instruction manual. It's full size, easy to read, and will step you through everything you need to know about installing the product. Next we have the hardware kit. We include four drywall screws with washers and everything you need. You can also use this kit without the drywall screws if you're mounting into a soft surface such as wood or plywood or some surface like that. If you are mounting to a masonry or a brick surface, let your sales engineer know, and we'll be happy to furnish you with Tycon drills and Tapcon fasteners for masonry. No charge. And next thing we do is remove the next layer of protective foam. And you can see the product is still quite well protected. Take out the next layer. And here we are. This is our Optimum ERCA 12 Emergency Residential Charging Center. This system also includes a wireless access point. This is a business class Netgear wireless access point, and we'll talk to you more about that in a few minutes. And let's get this puppy out of its box. Oh. And inside, this is the cable kit that you'll need to connect the charging center to the Optimum Professional, which you'll see in a moment. And finally, this is the ERCA 12. We're going to go into detail about this, and we'll talk about all of its features in just a second. But this is what it looks like. Side view, of course the back. The mounts are already ready for you. Everything is pretty much plug and play. This happens to be a demo unit for the moment. I've got a couple of power wires here. Your unit will not have those sticking out like that. Alright, so we're going to come in a little closer and we'll walk through this. So what does this product do, you're asking? Well, we designed this product specifically as a result of Hurricane Ian, which recently happened this year. We all noticed the devastation that occurred and the hardships that it caused. The Optimum ERCA 12 Residential Charging Center answers a lot of questions for folks that find themselves in these conditions where the power is out, the weather's bad, and things look pretty bleak at the moment. The Optimum provides a number of important things. We'll step through those. The first you can see here is a area light. This area light is an LED light, high intensity, and it provides enough light for an area approximately the size of a two-car garage, so you can navigate safely in the room. It's turned on by this switch here, and you can use it as you see fit. The Optimum also has an LED downlight, which is turned on by this switch. This is useful when you're doing charging operations, plugging in cell phones, laptops, recharging whatever it is you might want. Finally, the Optimum provides you with an active source of backup internet when power is down. This switch here turns on this wireless access point, and there's an internal switch inside that will power this and provide you with a Wi-Fi internet in your home or wherever the Optimum is located, and it's sustained entirely by solar power. It uses 4G LTE as its method of connecting to the Wi-Fi, so it's totally independent and autonomous from your standard Wi-Fi service provider, cable or whatever you might have. Next, on the side of the Optimum, you'll notice we have two charging ports. These ports are optimized for USB connections. The top port also fits Apple devices, so you can connect your Apple devices to it. There's also a voltmeter here that will provide you with current voltage coming from the Optimum. On the top of the unit, you'll find quick disconnect internet ports. This is where the wireless access point plugs in, and this is where the internet from the Optimum outside comes to power the system internally. Finally, on this side of the unit, there is an auxiliary Cat6 data port. If you have a laptop or any other device that can use a hardwired cable connection, you can plug it right in here, and you'll have your internet source available. Now we'll take a look inside the Optimum and show you what's going on in here. This is the internal system. You can see here we have a 5-port gigabit switch. We have industrial fuses. These are the USB charging center, downlight that we discussed. Everything is pre-wired and ready to go and color-coded to make it easy for you to connect. All the user has to do is connect the two wires here to this terminal block and plug in the access point after mounting it to its mounting location, be it on the ceiling or the wall or wherever you might want to put it. The whole system is enclosed, protected. This particular model, as you see it, is designed for indoor or protected area use. If you do want to use this product outdoors, let us know. We'll be glad to make sure that the product has a couple of small modifications at no extra charge to you, and it will be suitable for direct exposure outdoors in the rain and the weather and whatever else might happen to it. Just let us know, we'll take care of it for you. As I'd mentioned earlier in the video, The residential charging center is a companion product to our Solarius-500 Optimum. This is a solar-powered device entirely. It's autonomous, and it is already pre-wired and ready for the residential charging center. The residential charging center connects to the Optimum here. This is its data port where it gets its Wi-Fi from the Optimum, and this is the power port that you just plug in. These connectors are already there waiting for you. You simply run the cables to the location where you have your Solarius-500 mounted and plug in. Simple as that. So in this section of the video, we want to show you what the Optimum charging center looks like when it's fully installed and operational. As you can see, I have it mounted here on the wall, and it's in our garage, right outside the door that leads into the house, so it's easy to reach. We're going to show you exactly what these things do. This is the area light that I was discussing earlier. It's soft and makes it nice for you to be able to see what you're doing when you're trying to connect charging devices. This turns on the Wi-Fi unit, which, as you can see, I have mounted on my ceiling here, and it takes about 3 minutes for it to boot up, and now I've got my my Wi-Fi access, even if power is completely off at the home. And finally, we have our area light, and you can see that light is serious business. It's very bright and easily illuminates my two-car garage. Everything is wired up, and it takes, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe an hour. Just depends on your location, how handy you are, and if you want to do all the fancy stuff or run the wires in conduit. We also have another feature available with this unit. We call it our wiring kit. For those of you that are not comfortable with doing wiring and things of that sort, we have a wiring kit where the Optimum is equipped with quick disconnect connectors. The wires are cut to lengths that you tell us you want them to be. The connectors are soldered on already for you. Everything is literally plug and play. It absolutely can be done by a young child. It is that simple to connect. So let your sales engineer know when you're placing your order. We'll talk over all the application considerations with you, and we'll make it as easy as possible for you to install your product as quickly as it can be done. Finally, no product is complete without documentation. As you know, our products are built by Americans in the United States of America, and we write our manuals in English, and we do a very good job. We try to think of every possible thing a customer might need to know to make it easy to install your products. So that philosophy is reflected in how we prepare our manuals. The manuals are written in easy to understand language. We have color pictures inside. There's a complete description of everything you'll need, including how to plan your installation, route your wiring, how to run the wires, where things are going to connect. For those of you that are handy or skilled with wiring, we give you wiring details because you may want to run your wires in conduit, and this of course would involve you doing a little bit more work than those that don't want to do that, but we give you the information here that you need. Finally, we explain how to make connectors if you're going to be doing that. That's not required, but there are some of our customers that have those skills and would want to do it, so we provide for that. Then we show you how to make your final connections, which are nothing more than a simple 2-wire DC connection to the terminal ports inside that I showed you earlier in the video. We step you through installing the fuses, which is just simple plug in, and that's that. And then we go into how to configure your wireless access point. These devices, of course, are a little bit intelligent, and they do require a small amount of configuration. But we've extracted the information from the manufacturer, compiled it in an easy-to-understand language. We give you all the details of exactly how that's done, and it's a quick 5-minute setup. Finally, our warranty is in the back of the manual. We give you all the information you need for warranty data. Our products have a 5-year unconditional warranty. We stand behind our products, and you'll, as you get to know us better, you'll certainly appreciate that. We give you a little place here to record any information you want, your serial number, notes, anything like that. And finally, our website, of course, if you need further information or you want to reach out to us for other products. So finally, we'd like to just say thank you very much for doing business with us. We are very proud of our products, we're proud of our customers, and we appreciate you.